We're heading down to the Las Vegas Convention Center to Pizza Expo, where Nicholas and Michael Testa, the Jersey boys, are giving a clinic on how to toss pizza.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael and Nicholas Testa, give them a big hand. DJ's going to be playing some great music. We're going to be back in a few minutes to introduce the judges and start the competition. So turn around and say hi to somebody you don't know. Make a new friend.
Thank you very much, Michael and Nicholas. That was a great demonstration. The Jersey Pizza Boys give back to the community whenever they can. They recently helped support the great pizza giveaway, Pizza Across America. When they're not on a national tour, you can find them at their dad's pizzeria, Carmine's Pizza Factory, located in Jersey City. That's Carmine's Pizza Factory, 388th Street, Jersey City, New Jersey, 201-386-8777. I'll leave links below this video. Please visit Pizza Therapy for more pizza tips and tricks at pizzatherapy.com. And while you're here, show a little pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel here on YouTube. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.